I think the industry needs to really understand what you guys are bringing, because you're actually more than just a CDN.
Correct.
You're more than just a cloud. You're a CDN plus a cloud, but you're different. so explain this.
Yeah, sometimes we say we're built different. So, sorry, I had to use that one.
Yeah.
So you're correct. Okay, if you look at compares to the current ecosystem, right? You're with one of the two dominant players or one big cloud provider. You're pretty much locked in. You enjoy a lot of convenience and flexibility, but you're also a little bit stuck and also at the mercy of the provider you're with in case they want to give you more discounts next year or not. So how do we compare to that? Just like with the cloud, you can also have flexible compute with us. You provision it through Terraform at the locations that you need it, which is, okay, so far so good. And then the networking parts is where it becomes a little bit different. The networking that we have is by default built for the premium use case. So to make sure that the traffic is as close to the user as possible and it travels as directly as possible, as far as we can carry the bits and bytes. By cloud by default, you don't really have that behavior. When they receive the bits and bytes from your server, they just want to throw it out over the fence to the next party as soon as possible. So they don't have to pay the price to transport your bits and bytes all the way across the world. Now, cloud also has a product which does do that. For example, a global acceleration or Google Premium Networking. But if you compare our offering to that offering, you see like a 10x difference in terms of egress pricing. So that's a big incentive to look into. Maybe you're right now with a single provider, you're a bit overcommit. There's a big incentive to then start looking into maybe using us as a hybrid model, starting a little bit with the commit that you spend anyway, and then see if it performs as good as we claim it is, and see if we can make a difference in both on performance, but also, of course, on the costs that you pay per user to serve them. Yeah.